Abanza mananga gonya tintshava tlulla minambu kandza mindzilu uniyele kun'wani uniyele kun'wani
infonerini leswaku xilanga ta ni suka hi kun'wana kambe 2 seconds la ni ta sipenga acho basi
Zingi ne?
ozingi kuno kushabalaka
Ni musa wa kambani ku kumeka kwihi ka social media ne? Na dimension na yiri na tin'wana u nga vula vo Tinder na vo
ka Tinder ka sexuyi
Sempre uma ka Gawula or ka Gwen.
ka gwela a ku na xikotiri la un'wana kona.
defeated kesad
Le Ishangani Gang la ihlela hinkwaswo leswi rhumerisaka Gaza vumene vunanga naswona hi tlangela ku humelela lokukulu na lokuntsongo hikuva hinkwerhu hi le ku tlakuseni ka ririmi na ndhavuko wa Xitsonga. Leyi i Shangani Gang, Shangi.
Mixavo lama kona hinkwako Matsonga a Bush, Phalavurwa, Nandoni, Mbawula hinkwako ya ka Xipetani laha hikwata mixavo la mi nga kona. Mara ku na mavito ma Matsonga ma ka dzingidzingi. DJ Kwai.
Kabo Doctors Tole.
Yeah.
Na vo Lady Shix.
Yes, ntiwa Lady Shix. So no man, le vunangeni so leswi nga mi byelaka episode leya ya Flash Quartet swi tshamisekile ntirho ka va vuyini a swi olovangi mara namuntlha hi na vona so
wa swi rhandza ku yevula ne.
loko mi twa yi rhumela nyana swi komba ku swikwembu swa pfuka loko mi twa ku hey hi fayi because I saw nghena gezi se mi loko yi hlekisile loko twa ku hey vita ku mayi vavo yi vuyi mayi vavo kheza loko mayi vavo kheza loko mbuyi ma right na kheza loko mbuyi ma right nxoko swa mi kahle ku chayeriwa ka n'wina muchayeri wise mi right mi ta hi nyika vito loko se because from DJ Diroka to Nganga Diroka
Gogo Diroka.
ya se vana vanghana vo lelo ku ta va right. Okay, so ni khomi ni mbali xikipa la nga tsi loko
A wu la ku xi pfula xexo kumbe
xi ta pfula hi langa ta xi wina xikipa lexi ma swi vona ku va sangoma ta lelo hi
u nga va kombi xifuva xa wena
ni nge va komi xifuva xa phela
xa swigwinyana.
na gym loko so SGPN no how ta ngera ka roe Shangani Gang Podcast Network DJ because anga la fresh ke ba kwa
Ah, va ta vona lexi mina.
va ta vona
no andla ka swena loko va hala ndhawu hayi mara mi nga va kombi va hava bya n'wina ni nga xi pfuna
A xi pfule cause.
so loko u xi wina a swo ku hi wo xi pfula ho unboxa leswi leswi wena swo pela ta weta ka xing ho unboxa so hala ndhawu xi taliwe leswi
that's nice
Xi jikisina andaka Mike. Xi yeah.
sangoma xi taliwe leswiwana la ndhawu Shangani Gang Podcast Network so xana xi ta wina hi super fan lexi kuta hi ta vona ka mi ta yi wonisa ku yini ka YouTube mxani ka hi ta swi vona swi endlisa ku yini kahle ma hi ta kuma hi swi endlini swi leswiwani hi swi vulavulaka. Okay, so guys before hi ya mahlweni namuntlha hi vhakacheriwini hi kun'wana wa vanhu lava va nga busy ka Gaza
Before ya mahlweni. Khale ni fambile mfu. Hi le ka episode number ma.
n'we mi fambe khale episode number tin'wana se huma problem
A ti se huma,
ku ni vula ku i mani leyiwani mi kuma ku ni te leyiwani i 7 kasi ku la ku huma 8 mundzuku even then lokho hamba la 1 ku 7 mashwa aningwa kuna TV labo abusangomeni lasanga amingakuthi no bona
eish akuna network batima network la ko
so ko lesitsaka sakho ukucinela dajani entertainment yakho okay guys
mara ungachingi ngopfu hiko nda sungula hi wena nda testa tilo hi wena
okay back to business guys it's been long coming namuhla yena wakhamba yena wakhambani I un'wana wa vasati lava no tirheni kahle a musicini se n'wi rambe evunangeni hi ta va vulavula hi vunanga bya yena na vanhu lava a tirhaka na vona wakhambani nakamukela
Khensa kamkeriwa.
Welcome to 17 not 17 yeah ndawo ta wena
17
cina kwala wani or kona masiku mavhiki lama nga hundza
Lama nga yini.
yeah so all right
Yeah, fucking minjani.
hi porque DJ singula ni wakhambani
mela anpulela hi verse ya yohana
ka any of the songs
oran bela uniyele kungwane kumbe voice liya itisela ka track liya
kumba imagine
So
koya kume kuchiko so koya ko ngumla ayimbelela me la cina mara
so cina hita swivona leyi wa perform musi namuntlha
ay namuntlha nga kona
wa perform namuntlha
wa perform mara ayila
oh
Mlok imbela yemi.
yeah verse 1
Oh.
vanhu phela kuna vanhu va langusaku lava tshemba ku vele hi n'wakhambani
ungete papo wala ela ko bathemba ko
Niko hi papa.
sit nasla ko tlabela mara ku stand phone la gwenya shiko nga yeni so fana se
Niko abanza mananga gonya tintshava tlolla minambu kanza mindzilu. Uniyele kun'wani. Uniyele kun'wani.
irandwa hi DJ Khosa
nangwese mara
namhla ni yimbeleli
since
ngoma
uya ungangeni masla ku yelo kwana
okay wakhambani la unjela ne kuri oro swilan sungula ku wakhambani mani kahle la ku tiva ku we mani vitra wena uma kwini kaya and then on top of that la unjela ku ri I xini kahle xi nga ku pusha ku ri uza u nghena ka music
Okay. Ngwakhambani vito ni Petrus Nhlobo Mathebula akaya noma kagawula agiyani mara currently kumeka a Joni. Ku Joni ku a Joza kumeka Joza and then leswi swi nga nhlohlotela va ri nhlohlotela
xi nga ku hlohlotela
hlohlotela yes leswi swi nga nhlohlotela ku ni nghena ka music at first I was a dancer nisungule na ri mcini la ni nga cinela ti-artist to hambanahambana
okay
ya ka tona and then from there ni swi vona ku yini if someone can do it I also can do it and I wanted something ya ku yini instead of me generating money through someone how about I learn how they generate money and do it directly than go like no leriwa how about no leriwa like directly than getting money through someone else so isona leswi nga motivate ku nze ngena ka music
so just a follow up question
yes
ntumeshi na timhaka ta ku a wu cinela ti-artist
yes
ku nga va ku ri ti-artist leti hi ti tivaku or
yes i-artist leti mi ti tivaku ni faneke ni ti mention hi mavito ka
nga tsake ku ti tiva
first artist leyi nga cina na yona cine na Gap wa Mariba and then can cina na Manshongi Rangani and then there was also a time la nga cina na DJ Lady D
Germany
DJ Lady G
oh
yeah cine na yena so yeah
oh okay so anunga aucina nem
yes
coaching la ba la bembela ibuku na wala tindala mali wesh
yes
hayi ku ndlela munhu
yes
so are you trying to say ku loko coaching la munhu like I was called ku timela wesh ba umtini ba ku ramba ba ko namuntlha ku na makhambani mara i ta ku cinela even if I sim ta wena because
like even if I sit down. So swa endleka because of kuna ku iba mcini iba under someone like specifically someone that means ku yini if he under that person I'll go to cinela like but different and everything if maybe you guys have a contract with these are my dancers you belong to them and then if like you are just a versatile person that means ku yini you can dance for anyone if artist yo tani yak lava namuntlha ita ya cina na yona if artist yo tani yo karhi yak lava ita ya cina yona that means that's why mkota ku sometimes mbona ti dancers tin'wana namhlina loyiwani namhlina no that means ku yini i versatile kota ku cinela anyone loko munhu a ri versatile i kota no loko va la ku rhamba mcatweni wa rhambeka ataku like anandisa ntlangu va ku ri ntirho wa yena ku cina mara a nga belong to anyone else a nga sign a contract
so awuri so wena nga belong
yes I was versatile and nga belong ka munhu I used to dance for anyone else.
Okay. Even then ukula kudendela mali wena I wish
Yes.
ne ebe u choose ku yimbelela
Yes.
why i choose ku yimbelela why nga choose ngavela ngicina na vanhu va hambana because loko cina na vo shonge coach na vo gap bana ka bona ka tsakela ncho ku vangana va fona va ku nna ke queen afambe ya cina so why did you choose ku no man let me just do music and ta cina ku endeni ka tsimta mina.
Yes. On that case, it wasn't my choice at first. It wasn't my choice. I was really forced to farm a studio, like, because of sometimes you sell music and everything, ban can like
Yeah.
back up and can back up and everything, but you can't really do this. How about a studio and try? I remember the first time loko near studio, I could studio, could never bliss and everything and stuff.
Yeah.
I was just visiting a studio, look back recorder. I was like singing akonen and everything. So voice tata backup.
Yeah.
I did a backup vocal, but I don't know and everything.
Okay.
I did a backup vocal. That was my first time in the studio. And then the second time, Mpanyas like called me, and look, hey, I'm Steven goes up.
Yeah.
I couldn't go zama. And then Andrama studio says Baku farmer studio. Green like farmer studio. Look on Fika Layani, Bafika like Atango my one yet DJ Nkutla repression. I could try singing on the song, Nakutaku like the vocals thing of Amajani. That's when Ninga Imbelaka that song and Nayona is a woman. And then look on that song.
Ya umbiri ngese ku uma
No, akumlavula kula ku humesa ngarkhali. Yeah, data humesa ngarkhali. And then loko eta kwalano and then we went like, okay, you really can do this. How about in Dangomali ya Diamond Walk? That's where anga try beat for Diamond Walk. Yeah, anga try beat for Diamond Walk and I wrote the lyrics and then jumped into it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
DJ.
You know, loko hlamsela Ndawini ndlela yawe ya music ne.
Oh,
I'll just give an example. Mundu wakufana na Babes Wodumo.
yeah.
Babes Wodumo was a dancer. I'm not sure if
Yeah.
was Steve as well.
I didn't know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was a dancer. So meaning kahle the artist ka ron'wanyani ti va ti nga ri na chance ya ku kuma Ndawini or ku va na that those people va ku va va pfuna ku ri va yimbelela. U nyikiwa side ra ku cina so that loko u fiki laha u kota ku humelelisa talent ya wena ya ku yimbelela. So yeah, I can say ndlela ya wena ya fana na nyana na Babes. Even very man, this girl Miss Hillary.
Dima. Shambele dima.
Ah, no, not Dima man. Miss Hillary achinela show ma Joes aner.
And show.
Yeah,
achinela show ma
Show.
Joes.
Yeah.
Arriba part of my Brazil.
Yes, abachinela show ma Joes. So okay. So now ne equation later ku after loko hlamsele sweswo.
Yes.
Let's say Makadzi approaches you.
Yeah.
Akula ucinelo phela sweswo wese artist we na itiva ku artist.
Yes.
Loko hi ku vona kahle ku fana u yi performela sweswo. A swa ha ri ngopfu leswo so u dancer ya munhu. Loko Makadzi ok approach sweswo aku nina gig again. Can you come and dance for me? Unga swi endla sweswo?
No, I wouldn't.
Unge swi endli?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Awari mcini kahle.
Awari
Not
mcini.
in
Okay, so single then yimbelela ne. Then you have lots of songs. Look
Yes.
that so far. loko not mention like tele what Diamond Walk ni le kun'wani just the look gemani so singelo kulavule the look gemani na that look we so like to go okay to this point longa kona mota what is your best highlight ka music like look when you look back I want to listen that's the best that has ever happened to my music career.
I think when I got the spotlight, the song ya Jamitsanda na. Yeah, I think when I got the spotlight, that was the best highlight ever.
Okay, in case ko kuming gomalia, lang te was nga ano siya tukurin lang. Apart lang. Here dala jo cheap o medyo chiva.
Janjiva.
Injiv.
Chiva,
Ibaji.
Oh, dala Janjiva.
Janjiva. Oh, the was something nga go regard. An yiri man ko yiri chiva. I was thinking of Shivas. They are.
Oh yes.
Kasi yiri Janjiva. An nga sto ko yiri.
Dala bacha.
Lugar ko explain. Kama ko jaga slow. Ka hle ko urin na ka Diamond Walk. Kana poeta nukbutsir ka thomo. Nrivele. Namuhla nilo ku record wena.
Na mina nifamisela na party one but it's fine. Ndakubutisa.
Ngari namuhla ta explain ngona namuhla.
We.
La ka Diamond Walk. Kuna ku rapa ko re.
Oh yes, iko kwalani lako.
Bona nyana nalo kuni. Ikuni bona nyana naloi. Kuni bona nyana naloi. Kuni bona nyana naloi. To arrest me, paseo muyarsi. That means you are my ride or die.
Ishin.
Spanish.
Eh, mane vele swa ndona nga ngenti ku
Spanish, yeah.
Which don't they with Spanish one?
Bafo.
Washo ku stela anga hlamusela ke ngubutisi ku ngubutisi question yakho usuka kwina like the journey here mara utloli party yakho utiba na Spanish.
I'm not really perfect in Spanish. I just know some few words.
Ah, loko zo umbelele sa 3
What's the?
ngende khanga. Uza ku 3 ngithi. Okay, watch Steve. Aka comfortable ku la ku Steve la ku mara watch Steve.
Steve. Okay.
La o search la.
Eh?
O search martlama then
Yes, you do research. Sometimes
ewo konta mangenza ngomeni.
Yeah. Yeah. Did research and practice on how to pronounce even kota kumaweka kahle.
Okay.
Yeah, you took your time. So okay, I am Makle. Why Gaza?
Nimgaza.
That's what you see Gaza because akona R&B, kuna Afro pop, kuna hip hop, soul, and other voice awalo kontoka imbele ngakungafumela swana swana.
Yes.
Then okush Gaza.
Gaza.
Agur maga marketing ngakash Gaza kumbe kumshana ulo kombela kuteka every culture mini yisayini.
I think it's because of like foundation yamina. What built me like foundation yamina. Isungule like kashkazi in everything. I became a dancer, and me being a dancer, yes, loko na rishkolweni like during primary, high school, I used to dance like amapiano, drum and everything, like all those things and stuff. But kunize nitibeka like into fame kunize kota kungena nitibeke yini magash belani. So nitibeke through Shikaza. So I couldn't leave the foundation lane that means kunya build a foundation in Shikaza even soon like akayi Justina Shamapian, Rufu Kiava Yashlungu, Sunget. Yeah. So that's the reason why I take Shikaza. But that doesn't mean kufanikishin palelaku ntamakash bukaza like forever. Like I can never do like yes, I did a song na Flesh Cortez. Yeah, hip hop. And then also no.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't know or it's coming.
No.
Vaisa hip hop avasrandi kumeza track dawo.
So I did a song na Flesh Cortez, which is like like hip hop. So try and see
and
like
it's
can
dropping
I
an album soon, right?
Yes, he is
So
dropping an album soon. So you see, and then I also did like 3-step. Yeah, like a 3-step in Philharmonic. Just try and see like can you really like go like versatile through this.
Mara utenda ngupish Gaza.
House. Anything. Bring it on.
Okay.
Hey.
Yeah.
Put the tamjongo. Kumoko en contract ka project. mina loko menga vanhu la ka podcast leyo mina ngekhanyi miko mtakunyeka rhythm nang feature sengwa khambani
phela lokulaveng ka vocalist
hostela ngwa ka Jojo ngabanyana
lokulaveng ka vocalist
la ne bana ba mane ka
lokulaveng ka vocalist resne
marantsa bantu ka Jojo ngabanyana hiti
we baita el cha Thomas cha utenye feature
nipele kereke mina versatile anansa one interview
you know ka maka ya vocalist ne mo divertanyana you know there's this thing swing look trending ne
yes
I'm not sure if it was pick up in AI is taking off
yes
when as a vocalist uyibona njani AI because it looks like ile kum replacing wena vati vocalists because so fana na mina swiswana ntlanga house music ne
yeah
loko nota ka wena ni fika ni kombela ku feature evo ni charge timali tin'wana ta leti filmini
yeah
whereas kuna AI ni fika nitsalela AI ni komba uyimbela ku fana ngwa khambani
teka ka voice leyi bala
komba uyimbela ku fana ngwa khambani yo ni nyika a very good song
mtla ku diroka featuring Wakhasan
featuring Wakhasan uyibona njani maka ya AI
yeah AI what I noticed kuyini if you can listen like carefully tingoma leti tendlwa ki AI ne you would hear this is not like a person like actual person it is AI fanana I think there is someone I don't know their name or anything anga endla like an album and also an EP ya Shikaza using AI
I know
everything and you know the streams I think this song na over 100k streams
I
and
know
everything because
I know the guy
people just like listen to it and be like oh kuna ngoma ya Zulu also like featuring Matsonga which is like this is good and everything while as they don't listen carefully to even detect good this person like it's not a real person singing here it's AI and everything yes it is a disadvantage to us as in like the artists because of it's taking away like jobs taking away jobs is to create more money for other people because only DJs can do that it's not like a person like me as a vocalist nyaka AI and then how am I going to perform that song because of the vocals I mean I think it got to divert into that AI think it fine that means it is taking away jobs but I can say the DJs on those people ibona like laba benefits ngofu and she runway this thing yo yini yomfumela kuba na ti DJ to tifika titlanga music wa vanhu and everything
so undlela business
like no sisungilesho if they that's how it is
business
that's how it is kube na yini business yakho yini ti DJ ti kota ku endla yini tlanga music wa vanhu loko mkota ku endla sweswo that means kumnga kota ku ya ti create na music AI iti ta tlanga music wa lowo kids and everything kunga publishwa so those things sisungula kwalanu and then it's just a decent I can say it's a disadvantage
but you know how it can work for you ne
yes
as a vocalist
yes
there's different types of sites that AI let it create music some of them will tell you okay record your voice we record a voice yawe then uyijela we okay tsala ti lyrics iZulu tsala ti lyrics iXitsonga or whatever it can work for you because it's still gonna use the same voice lewe oyitirisa one pieces it can work for you if walolo akuya ku recording
nakona
one pieces
yes I understand and another thing if you do that means you're taking away the ability for you to be creative that means you won't be having like enough knowledge and enough like ability to I want to be creative and create that means loko mo fika sweswan mung teka munhu mung faka ka podcast mkuyini I belly freestyle angeke ngidlele freestyle because of yini it is AI angana ability like your creativity you don't have creativity to yourself
and so slupha nalava auto tune mara ita ikhomba siku rin'wana
and mataka xin'wana xa kona ne AI it's positive mara not real because wakota ku nikombela untsela set song about maybe kutsikiwa mashangu lahlekeriwa ne na yitsa ti lyrics then you throw in your voice ilandela swilo leswi nga la kumbe xana ungazi uyimbelerisa mara itsala
You
lyrics.
can tell obviously loko ku yimbelerisa ku endla like create lana ti flow ku like when you jump to the beat
everything,
you have to this
so
and this.
so maybe swi nga hi pfuna ka vahisa lava mxane munhu ku titlambeleta to a ti koti ku tsala a yimbelele wa swilo wa vona ku tsala mara it's a problem kala kota ku tsala because now so ta wa compete na
Computer na AI.
and wena like you are natural like that u lava ku ti expressa based on how you feel not how ku robot yi ku byela ku yini
Byela
and
ku yini.
kana marito man'wana munhu a wu nga swi tivi ma exist mara robot yi ku byela ku ma exist you can't relate so are you worried are you worried or you gonna go with the flow?
I can be worried and everything, but it's beyond my control.
Yeah.
Yes, I cannot do anything about it. It's beyond my control.
So we're just gonna go
Yeah.
with the flow.
Yeah,
Nothing that I can do.
you guys have a serious competition, eh? Cause,
But also-
look, what check? Tingoma leti nga high rotation sweswi.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
AI. It's AI generated.
Ma
Nale ka
ta ku-
TikTok ne, there's this song ya and you confuse abantu vo tala bar is Java la yimbelela.
Oh, yeah.
Lava Sati Gian whatever something like that. That's
It's
an
an
AI.
AI song.
And she look trending ka TikTok
Yeah,
ngoma.
only I think
Na fire shimza stay AI.
Exactly.
And there's this song ya shimza na yona nga tshama yomesa ne. Kuna munhu a nga tshama vutisa ku who's this guy ala embela kula cause I want to follow him. Hey, shimza chuka nga exist. It's AI.
You know, as I mentioned ne, before young if
I'm
yes.
yes.
As I mentioned
Yeah.
it will work for the DJ.
Yeah.
One is cause info when it comes to the vocalist.
The vocalist, yeah.
Yeah, balava mali van lava.
Yeah.
Like, balava mali, balava na the royalties. Like they just want everything. So yes, if
Ngajambela ngweshe sweswi.
sis one, you just create someone okanga tibik na kuman create na vitu ku yena man feature man one this it will work for the DJs but for the vocalists it won't work.
There is a disadvantage.
It won't work for the vocalist. Maybe
They are losing.
it can work inside the instrumentals.
Yeah.
Like the beat and everything. Mara, the side track we imbelela, the vocalist the linking game. Linking game.
Okay, you know about AI. I like to say more. Yeah, AI. Yo, what's next? Okay, no man. I love your performances.
Thank you.
And I'm quite ngopfu loko ne bawa yin'wana December last year ne. Okay guys, like we said, let's 17 la ipatu na kwanga u busy le loko mpamcha wa ikwanga na vanhu lava hundza kulawa.
Kupfa ku hinda timovha ta ti-tenderpreneur.
Ti-tenderpreneur lawa babo. So yeah, okay, la ku xivutisa timhaka ta ku okay, ntani kwati ngopfu ka Malamulele mara a wu swi tivi ka TPP.
Oh yeah.
Ano wele ngo DJ. Ni yimela loko hey one banana loko cineni one banana yisala ite ehla ka teka one banana loko cineni. Oka ena ro ku cineni le rena. La loko performer that and kona angiza noka nina noka after 2 hours.
Domingo so leswo noka.
Last year. So nakubona mangata ku when now with your fans, with the audience. Because never with your fans because maybe tamako munhu ku bora sungula a stage and mina na ita ene jawe na runs phela kuna DJ phela ta gembana ne artiye so loko hi ku rhamba for the performer ne u fanele nyaka something different because artiye va ta gembana so zama mako loko ku performance ne
Yes.
munhu nga feeling ku u tlanga
Music and everything.
u le ku tlanga ka music wa yena this ka moveni kumbe kaya ku ri u tlhokuma a different touch of the song in how you portray it yabo so not about how do you interact with the fans and the audience loko ungena stage bako 5 4 3 2 1 come on how do you make it that kurban la bakulanguta and you give them your best
Everything. The moment ingena a stage nani, you have to like at least kuba na energy leyi yidzingisa ku feel like okay seshifikile leswi ngakhambana ne. And then sometimes it is rare ku ntikuma as you said you were there but I didn't see you because of you
Like
like and everything. Yes, it is difficult, like much difficult to recognize someone ari xikarhi ka vanhu va 1000 like ku recognize sometimes nga recognize langa most lava lama hledi vona like kota ku kumhlangana hi matihlo mara munhu loyi anga le xikarhi layani i nge koti kumhlangana hi matihlo i can vona i can wave and everything sometimes it does happen but it is rare for that to happen and then ku i kota like ku interact kahle and everything it's just like you see sometimes other artists I can say with other artists other artists they do this thing you okay wakoma boko and everything when you touching people's hands you won't do that so ikai you'll be like ikoma boko ingibona ku nikhome boko ra man khome ra man ikota ku bona like that's how you interact sometimes bangwani iteka phone ajika take a video mikota ku nanguna munhu loko akhateka video you can see ku oh ku imeno yana so mikota no bona ku nitekele man phone ku loko ni tlherisela that's how you interact and everything so it is different nakona swi depend na ku crowd injani sometimes wayibona ku the crowd is too harsh for you it is too harsh for you there you cannot interact awuthuneli makuloko thuneli swi ta koka swi kuphathelana mavoko they are sometimes the ones when I cannot interact. You just stand there, imbelela, I perform it in a stage.
Sorry DJ, follow up. Understand why in comment follow up ne. Wana loko mun arambewa akikin.
Yes.
Tenda different.
Yes.
Maybe urambewa ka Jojo's car wash ne for the first it's my line okay sorry na car wash
misalo mi gahlama loka machine car wash ya
la car wash bara we not there mara ya mi tele no vale fa sa car wash le itake na EP ora le
le ya manager ne
EP yona vale
manager loko usuka la ya Jojo's car wash
na car wash
ani EP mo ba ngwini
but so what I want to ask is uma ku unukura kuramba mina bana vakutivi ne so obviously loko nge stage bana ku man lo dan ku urambiwa ka gawula ne
yes
loko ngena va ku irini yimi kwimerini so how do you beat that feeling yako okay this is a new environment a new way yansa manbala mara nrambuweni fanele ya tirha how do you because bangwan so choose nyana ku understand ba what if banga hlabe what if bayima so how do you beat that feeling
I think that kind of feeling it takes you back to the first day you started performing you know like when it's your first time performing it's your like first time getting staging and everything and then there are people about thing the music when you still like having that thing I'm promoting that feeling you end up it makes you to push more
okay
like you push more you don't go down and be dull oh they don't know me isungula ku nyuma stage you do your thing if I can look with that china if ikala ichina ihuma that's your thing you do your thing indlela ilentirweni after all indlela leswi nga hakela swona ibi ifam that's it and then it also makes you I have to push more so that more people know me layana bentiwi but you have to make sure I leave a footprint yes they don't know me I have to make sure I leave a footprint loko nisifamba laba saba research oh that girl was imani like that's it
tetapan
ana after unsungula yowe
ni guess
no we alla davula ti makatha ku the reason ungutsundusha namuhla ku ungibonini ka the People's Party nisho ku awujele vanhu la na untiva munhu ya
ngitama kama ndasibolo kanibona mata ku yini ungaya last week nyana because mafta ku kuna vanhu lawo kuna moya lwawo vanhu va shama ticket late so shama ticket late like anest no nimisi like total ngo performance ma loko ngena we sa no fika ana na energy event no laso nku
welinga nku na yona video ya n'wina like lenga take
andna loyi
mirna yang
ai ta ko ile she na yena an nga langa so
ala ku prove la vanhu no you mentioned something something very important I think artists totala should take a note wabona loko uza uteka career ya wena as ntiro you will respect that everyone la ngile ntiro wena u respect ntiro wa yena once unga respect ntiro wa wena obviously you are putting yourself in a position ya ku u tikuma u hlongoriwile and ku hlongoriwa ka wena antirhweni lowu endlaka sweswi i timhaka ta ku vanhu va rivala hi wena if you do something lexi nga ta nyangatsa vanhu so loko u teka career ya wena as a job you will respect that that's one thing lexi ni xi respectaka or ni nga xi tekela hlokweni sweswi loko kha u hlamusela you know watsundzuka loko ni ku boka ka event ya le UCT
Samang book. Samang book.
watsundzuka loko ya UCT
Oh.
ani ku boka ka event ya le UCT
Like no kamanengu. DJ, how do you relate with UCT? Like the would say.
Yeah, I do.
no man you know mina I don't want to lie
Yes.
I didn't know you are an artist. I didn't know you are a singer. But I know there was a song. I'm not sure that song you were merely after logo IUCT or you maybe before. Yeah, D Craze and na sign free. Lost Tag. You maybe before. Yes. I knew there's this girl, but I didn't know her name.
Oh.
I'm talking about.
I'm talking about that part, but I didn't know her man.
Oh.
The moment ungena stage in IUCT anga swi ndzweli course course mishikuma uyihlangelexi
because ni tivela ka ngoma yin'we
exactly ni ku hlangelexi ta ku karateni because I saw your performance ne like ani nge tshama ni vona performance yo taniya ka Ashgazini more especially ka vavasati because vavasati vele tivela vo Dr Sandland vatana vanhu va vola va cinaka you know all this Dr Sandland ya cina xibelani but the energy yi nge fani because Dr Sandland I munhu nkulu
Yes.
the energy leyi u taku na yona I energy leya ya ku you will have that thing ya ku the minute ungena stage you just change the environment
yo Cape Town was something else.
because that's what happened that day I ri ku titlangeleni and all that
mata wani ku yira something else ne ka bana if I'm not one what artist ne you gave the best performance
Exactly.
Talk about so na sweswo talk why loko unghena ne I was like loko hi ta ndhawini leyi ne ku na vanhu lava hi nga ta na vona lava vanhu va ngova loko
or va va tiva
even gaza boxa na nkateko ne a ku mi lava mani phela in most cases loko vanhu va za ku ku nghena swimani u nga worries because they're not looking forward va lava munhu loyi va lava ke a ni khomi khamera le ndhaku le tirokane ni sukile ndanda hi mama
a ku tlanga mi a ku ri mi DJ ya kona wata ni venetele ni yima sono
ena famba tsimiri ngoma leyi ta munhu
one piece na yi mean le ku hlamba le munhu loyi u huma kwini kahle kahle one piece but yeah you gave the best you really gave the best
performances are best
ndata ku vutisa question yin'wana okay oi tshika swale Cape Town
yeah
o release ngoma sweswi na Khanyi
na Refi.
ta gembana ne
Yes.
I xini xi nga inspire Miri True ku ri mi humesa ngoma leya or ku va na ti-lyrics leti mi nga ti yimbelela laha what's the inspiration behind the song
Dima na nga tshama da. Yena inspiration. Ibona like mga organizer ko like ifane ko ihlangana for the studio session and everything, and then ku show nile
ay mga shota ka lawo hay tawa amke mga shota loy
ay labale.
mga tang chawet yeah
So like it was a situation
tanam tang shewa tam tawo maka TV
ngwa ilo record tam tang chawet tam na samalam
tanam tang shewa tam tawo maka TV
ilo record adir put I think kola ba some guys
ay ta samala ngwe
I don't get
samala
Mister, did you time to shut up my color? I know just 2 minutes, yeah.
2 minutes.
Because the business episode.
Okay. La ku mu wisanyana ku sheweta mtsamile.
Oh, na la kusona.
Yeah, mu sheweta la kusona.
Ifukin minjani. Sorry.
Nasana ukufeva nonke rhandza ku penga manje. Kwala phela imi ngazela gagashi ngwakhamba nikusanda ngasamlanga.
Yeah,
Info rini leswaku xilanga veta ni tsuka ku tsutsuma mhlambe 2 seconds la. La ni ka penga. Achuba zingi.
Zingi ne.
Oh zingi.
Ne
Queen of Shabalado.
Queen of Shabalado.
Ngwe mani.
Lar mushake.
Oh.
Mama gaba ko kahle.
Make.
Oh. Uma la ka magash.
Ya gagashi umala ka yina manu uma.
Mara hiku hina hi tiva gagashi ta ku uma ka
La kakash.
ye uma la ka ikensile bot
Okay.
Ri kata gembana sorry kuti nkozi yin'wana la sorry about that ngakambani
Sorry.
yeah ta gembana kama mtene
ta gembana yes another tiva okay how are you explaining
Go like okay, that song ani loko yi endliwa it was a song called like have to make a song mara lovely. Obviously in most cases if we look at it loko kundla I didn't want to mention but loko kundla ti nsimu ta vavasati
Yes.
it has to be situation yo namranza papa namikhongela papa lokizama ka papa and everything and that
Yeah.
or kuba situation ya ku vukati byi yini byi boshe mbilu ni bumbuluka
jolo ukubile
no, like those kind of things go. It has to be always related ka vukati or
Yeah.
me respecting a man or me bowing to a man.
Yeah.
So I wanted to write it was this song. It was like a situation ya kwini ta gembana tinkuzi. But we remembered kwini tinkuzi you cannot say ku hibaba sati mara ibitana na tinkuzi. People were also fighting against that go. How do you call each other tinkuzi? Well,
man
this-
fight ne creativity
And then that song, it's not about us. Yes, I mentioned my name on it, but it's not. I wanted to find a name to substitute, but I didn't find. It's not about us. It's about two women, and they who are fighting over a man. It's a situation ya kuyini the man, because of nsatanga kona, ateka nga kambani jale because asichina ngofu, ibe abuyisa, look abuyisa, ibe bangkuma, yeah, like bangkuma na nuna wa mundu andluini. So it's that kind of a situation. So it's a story which is like it's not based on arts, but it's situation. Yes.
okay
ni bone
makes sense
ni bone ukombetela manager lo ukubutsa question leyi
Eh.
is he the one cause manager ingaku yidumisa swin'wana xigazeni ne ntwela Dr. Joey vulavula hi yona last time watsundzuka hi yona composer or is someone la anga fika amtshamela hansi ku okay nina concept ya so can you come up with something ka concept ya so
I can say he is the producer because of like the producer yena ahlanganisako and everything comes up with the concept and everything. Also a composer because of nileka the beat he will be like I'm thinking of this kind of a sound like that is sound yo tuku 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 tuku, and then like Riff will come up with the sound and be like yes that's the sound that I want everything. So like he came up with the concept and then gave us the opportunity to go like okay this is the concept, this is the storyline, write for yourself.
Yeah.
And then come up with lyrics and stuff. So yes.
no that's a good song and feature munhu un'wanyana yena
yeah
angile ku hlupheni ka nkarhi wa sweswi xigazeni like kahle kahle ti hlanganini tikuzi vele
that's why ne loko ngoma liya o vona like loko before you huma
Yes.
ana mimbela part ya ngobyo ta
Gembana. Yeah.
so mina lo before you huma I was sure ku mona komba ku okay hi wena na khanyi ne
We are
mihlanganini
Yeah.
so you kula yathi koba tinkuzi ne
Yeah.
and ta gembana la music in la but I was like when la one why ba gembana in a way ya ku aba challengeani vo tirha swin'we so I was unremitting kon la ku ta ku ri yini gembana yini tumesa yini what is this
Yeah.
so yeah I mean it's a good song but also I want to ask about Ndakubia music in ne
Yes.
as a whole not specifically ta gembana ku
Yes.
loko u endla music akurna any other influences maybe you looked up to someone maybe Beyonce at some point ku endla music wayicina kumbexani Mansandlene na loko vuya la kaya lawa but is mina tshama vona munhu un'wana then okay you know what me ilia influence I mean or ilia inspiration I mean like
Role model kind of vibes.
yeah kind of vibes good okay yeah whatever they're doing I want to do it too and I'm gonna do it I don't know also fanele lo singula music
Yes, I did.
oh ngisela man
I think Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson
Yes.
anokuta ku sira ulva mntu zinyana right Michael Jackson
na Michael Jackson ungavula kusira Michael Jackson
Repeat it. Come repeat it. But no, rest in peace, Michael Jackson. Yeah, Michael Jackson.
Yes.
So the dance, kuranda china style, suka laga Michael Jackson.
Nah, asukona style. Style so details just goes with the flow. If ngoma igigela so kicking that means kumdenge fanele from my piece ale.
Mara kuranda uchina ke like
That I can say soranda jinane it came like from a young age narinzo kulenkanjina like yeah narinzo. 2 years kind of vibes shabela shibelani.
Yeah.
Yes, so narinzo.
hey, tamo picture wa dema rari. So hey, varos ka kole bona ga botsa tala mare a kuri ku tikeni. Nso nge holo. No man la ku botsa kore an la ku botsa ngwe la isuka ne nla ku manya because ni sibona ngofu ka social media ya wena I'm vele na follow kwa ngoni ngithi kan ngekani ko good
Jo equal.
thank you good brilliant so mara like I have to keep track ro kwenda kani
ku vanhu vaza va swo kumbativana
la reply ko yeah it's on hey asindele this things asindleka ku ne social media like what just happened now
Yes.
ya kuna vanhu vo tala swinene
Yes.
bangu makambana sasekini wakambana na kulava wakamba kuna xin'wana nga tshama xikhomela xo ku ni nga tshika nsati wa mina just ku rhandza na wena you see those comments I know what the word comments that if hi wo tirhisaka va ri yini tsela ta wena even if awu ti tirhisi ncoko wa experience kwala ku fambeni just like now awu phe kwale wo tshama 70 le ku recordeni and then munhu a ta ku na ku tiva u te wena na vito rin'wana mta vito we balito
Beatrice kamtsuleng
xi vule vito rin'wana damela xa xitshami laha
oh
xi vule dar tolo ko loko so
Okay.
like energy yaleyo because energy ya right mara nkarhi wun'wani a yi viri that right ku munhu a nga landza munhu fa ku yeah you know what sasekini ana ku rhandza but yeah it's good mara swa chasanyana ku a wu swi tivi u ta ku yini so now how do you take it from the comments to the live experience
Okay, like it start off from the comments, and got the comments section is like you have to like keep the dignity, like dignity. Go like I cannot reply to everyone. Mun lokaku yes, there are like comments. Mun afka oh I love you so much, love you so much. You can say like love you too and everything. Yes, to girls like it is normal that girls can say tell each other that love you and everything. But sometimes they go yeah shamla like munungwan la tiweka ka Africa I love you because love you too like it takes away that dignity ku mani bakhleketelela go because of they don't know you. They don't know the life that you live behind the cameras and everything. That means good they have like always picture like someone go angabar munwa so so when you don't keep that dignity ka media and then answer in anyhow it takes away that dignity and then also if you don't have that dignity that means you can answer anyone anyhow like I love you nakla na mina nakla yini itahlangana and if I don't do that
but how do you feel ngwana kwako makambana makrandza sasekini ningatsika satsatu wa mina just for when and van'wana they even go as far as defining and explain okay makambani lo saseka wa kuyimeka like how do you receive that because was start like how do you react to such now wala natale wena that one
yeah in everything
I used to
I think before I got into the industry I was emotionally prepared for this
That's
kind
nice.
of things. Yes.
Nice.
I was emotionally prepared by my sister's school. This and this and this can happen. Sometimes if I rigigini ikhomala ndako kuba kuri crowd ikhomala ndako ingastino imani. Just know good these things happen and what you have to make sure you don't react in a manner laying attack onela and everything. Just keep it neutral. It does happen. It is normal. So yes, I was emotionally prepared for this. So there's no way I can react in a manner you
so la awurna like ne nanchuwini loko n'wenya la yi tshama la yi kha yi lwa na wena loko yi tshamisa na xitemba xin'wana loko yo endla mistake lawani ta chuwisa a ni chuwisa san mina loko kahle kahle swi hela ne kota ku a ni chuwini loko yo bayisa la ku hela mi ta yi teka bosi magewa
sola manager ve yi nthola ni va bounce wabo
va nga ta chava va nga n'wi rhambi munhu va ku hi chava bouncer right hayi rhamba phela vanhu va biha la misaveni va kambani aye va jaye DJ
yo twa loko u vulavula hi timhaka ta ku you were emotionally prepared.
Yes.
Na loko u vulavula hi timhaka ta ku sometimes munhu wa ku khoma and all that, you know, I don't know vavasati vo va na timbilu to leha
yeah
or njhani, because if it was me
Yeah.
n'wanuna fika endla sweswo
no mi come ku min munhu lawo poleka makamba munhu lawo timhaka ne yi vekiwa straight wa khama n'wi te nkarhi wun'wana loko a kha cina va n'wi khoma hala ndzhaku
Yes.
n'wi miri loko munhu o mi khoma ku
wo fika ni khoma ndhaku or a ni khoma wa yi kuma nyana mfo wa yi kuma nyana mhaka leyi kaswani ku vavasati va na timbilu to leha serious. For example artist yin'wanyana ya hina ya magaza yi tshame yi vutleliwa xidloko
Yeah.
i chuchi mpama wan'wana wa serious
rin'wana ro chavisa
one twisisa
Yeah.
okay loko u yi cheka mhaka yo fana na yaleyo sometimes ti-fan ta provoke artist.
Yeah, they do.
One
Too
twisisa.
much.
Sometimes ti-fan ta provoke artist vala ta vona ku ri patience ya wehe yi helela kwini.
sometimes va va lo tsaka
Sometimes va va vo lo tsaka
hi loyi n'waka finally hi loyi n'waka
wa khambani
Understand, mar-
woni yani ya n'wi khumba ku ri ni ta famba ni
ngopfu ya
tsakile
yes.
mara loko se u fika n'wi khumba u n'wi khumba ka yini
hi swo swin'wana swe
wa va ku yi problem.
ma khumbi n'wa khamba
yeah
And then got the part you like sometimes like people provoke me. I can also touch on the thing yaku. I can say like during December there was a time la loko sinya performing and gamba because when you do like koma vanhu mavoko so eswahlomula kakaza so it got to that extent ya kwini ningambala ti-ring loko nyak perform but the moment ngina stage ni hlula no swa swikhwameni ta perform ni rava ti-ring mako ni ta xava ti-ring ivi swi swa hlomula mara a swi vuli ku faneke ni you know reaction
mara mina I want to talk for those people. Some of them ban'wana va kwa eku va grant
yeah
ba enjoy your performance and everything, so maybe sometimes ti va ti ri loose or maybe laso na la ku va na something xa n'wa khamba
Yeah,
in
they
kota
do have that.
loko wo mba cheni lezi ku ri n'wa ya mara u kha u suka stage ya crowd okay
Yeah.
no man, going forward ne music u lo ku cinceni, music wu cincini
Yes.
loko nghenise u kha u ri ku cinceni kumbe se u cincini.
Yeah,
So what's your take on ku caka music from loko wa ha kula wa ta ku music u so onsa vanhu va fana swimani but loko se u sungula ku landza ngopfu swa xigaza u vona ku ri no ma nga ri ku na the change of sound and ku na the change of styles,
styles and everything.
change of behaviors as well.
Yes.
So what do you think about this change?
It's like everything changes every day, Everything changes every day mara swi dependa ka wena ku munhu ila ku stika ka xitayili lexi
Yeah.
namuntlha hi nga va hi ri ka A mundzuku hi nghena ka B ndlwani hi nghena ka C loko namuntlha hi ri ka A hi nghena na hina ka A and that's the first hi nghena na hina ka A loko mundzuku ho ha cinca from A we going
B.
to B ani it depends on you go do I want to stay ka A or
Kumbe na
la
ku
ku
move
move
na
na going to B sometimes ikuma ku yini you really want to go to B mara xiyimo xa wena a xi
pfumeli ku ya
pfumeleli
ka
ku
B,
i ya ka B that means ku yini you are stuck ka A you are stuck on that journey you are stuck with that only sound and people are going to the next sound and then loko va fika layani va ku I had this from hip hop how about we take this from hip hop hi xifaka xigazeli then we suka kwini ka B we going to see some people na vona va ta sala ka xitichi xexo xa B bazi ri nge fambi na n'wina hinkwenu va ta sala ka xitichi xexo xa B you get stuck so it also depends ku wena you wanna move with the flows or xiyimo xa wena sometimes xi nga pfa xi nga pfumeleli for you to move with the flows that means ku yini you have to be stuck and find a way on how to make sure ku yini you remain sustainable on what you have you understand
I get it.
yes
Yeah, twala. Yeah, I've been checking your music, ne?
yes
Ku produce vanhu vo hambanahambana
yes
music wa wena.
yes
There's songs u nga ti endla na Mpanyasi. There's songs u nga ti endla na
Long time producer mina na amteka.
I thought u ta commenta loko ni vulavula hi Mpanyasi.
Ah, ku ta komenda n'we liya. Kohle liya. Hey, Tami, komza chivi. Yo.
There's songs u nga ti endla na there's this guy, I don't know kuri between these two guys, Iman producer, Shaka Man na Barry L Shape. I don't know who's the producer.
Shape, ne?
yes
Yeah.
Okay, and then there's
Kuta kura sotala ngo ko producer. Ngwenya liya ithamile ne mbele yoko uyitwisa ndingwani yichaka J John. Very heshe. Asi kasi I signature L Shape. I mean signature.
oh yeah, ichansa ngongo ngeliya. And ita kahle ingari ku ita sitwala ku ya ku edit. And then kuna ngoma leyi nga endla na Metro Beats.
yes
Tsamitsandza.
na xihlayisi
Yes. And then kuna imbano one. Okay, kuna Riff, the latest song.
yes
Kuna liya nga ivula futhi mara Mpanyasi leya
hashtag vanyas na leyi nga chayiwa na time free
na leyi nga na gwinya
Yes.
Mpanyasi.
Yes. All these guys, ne,
yes
they work differently.
yes
Abafani, like abafani. Like u ti lunghisa njhani ku ri u fika u ti kuma u ri ka let's say sweswi u tirha na Mpanyasi is different from Sign Free.
Hey,
yes
Yes, it's different from Sign Free.
time free.
Loko u ri na
Mani? Mpanyasi.
Mpanyasi it's different.
Bo fana xixin'we. No, I productive fana xixin'we.
Ah, ni vula matirhelo.
Ta ku byela loko heta timali.
Yeah, so ni la ku twisisa ku because kuna ti-artist letiya ta ku loko vo za va ku u recordiwa hi D-Rock u ta lava D-Rock like for the rest of his production. One twist because va believe ku ri okay D-Rock hi yena a tiva ku voice ya mina
Yeah.
yes
or D-Rock hi yena a tiva ku makhomposelo ma mina.
Yes.
How do you accommodate yourself like u ti kuma u ti byela ku ri okay namuntlha ni tirha na Mpanyasi no fane ni tirha in a way Mpanyasi a tirhaku hi kona.
I can say sometimes it is difficult because of you get into someone else's territory space shavona.
Yes.
You have to adjust and then adjust and then do it their way because I cannot always be me in everyone's space.
Yeah.
Sometimes if I can take the rules tabona and then follow their rules and then also it also gets to a point if you listen to my songs the vocal mastering at the fine because of I've worked with different people.
Yes.
So loko na kusungula it was a situation I'm still trying to find. It was that thing I'm still trying to find a person who can master my vocals the way Nishranisa Kushison.
Yeah.
But there's no way like I love this, I love this, I love this. They just work differently and you just have to accept they work differently. And then it's also an advantage because of you get to learn different people and naku bangwan matira so na ban matira so ku loko wo ya ka a new space nta swi ku oh loyiwani ile ka mapiano mara ina impanyasi loko ya xigazeni impanyasi mara loko ya la ka mapiano like itira kufana na impanyasi so that means ku swi kota ku swi pfumelela ku you can even work with more people because of you've learned different personalities from where you coming from. Yes.
Okay. Who's the most difficult? These producers like to like loko se kampango ma tikago
kalava already ngaba mention
lava nga tirha na vona
akuna munhu wa difficult
hinkwavo vo titamela
no because of munhu wo ni accepta munhu we anga hi xiswona I won't see your wrongs your rights I munhu
wadani lwa njhani ku va difficult kuna ku you are in a room na the rock la ku chela vocal ne and then maybe u chela vocal ne you kuma kambani ngombe itira
ngombela itira
ibo thothela mic no chela vocal ngokamba ntsamas inoma like let's take 5 minutes break ne emtaka break le ebe mbuya and then we record you okay now we are working and then kwa la uku uyimbelela ne ebako mara ingesquad mara ku maybe utlasana voice
yes they do that everyone because
what's the most difficult man like
lo anga kuthelelisa ngofu ka mic ngasungula wona va mention ake ku nikuvutisa okay I will ask okay ndakutisa i22 between Salani na Mpanyasi
between Salani na Mpanyasi I didn't record Mpanyasi like on the same room no
Mpanyasi I'm gonna know you
I mean Barman Salani so yes na Salani I say someone like
bang a studio ndawing okay Mpanyasi na El Shape utirhe ngofu na El Shape
so yeah El Shape not difficult than Mpanyasi
difficult
yes
I maka ya ku tiva ngofu I maka ya ku tiva ngofu like utirhe ngofu now because I've checked look most of your songs okay
very difficult Mpanyasi
it's difficult than
Lia ya decrease na Sign Free u recording abo
yes in recording abo
who was the producer there
it's
Sign Free yes unjani
he wasn't difficult I was just dull on the studio session there was this part where like I had to like like the song we wrote the lyrics or he wrote the lyrics down and everything I go zama this part and then he gave me the flow I like no. Yes and then I did that part like loko ni practice and ngar mic bango ayingena mic
that's a different story
ayingena mic chinga kuma ku hi and so Nick ayingena mic and then mapini go and practice it at home because like we're running late I had to go back home go at home practice ita we I record kahle and then I went on practice mara igcine ngayoshange angomeni because of we were in a rush kungoma faneke master YK home and everything so it wasn't like I won't say that he was difficult at that time I was not just being submissive at that time like because of it was a new studio and I first time ntirana Sign Free and everything so anchuwini ibo mina
ba Sign Free even lava kuloko
no not sure ka everyone
ne
yes everyone loko nifika ka space nachuwa ambini ngativeki akanjojo
ngachuza jojo
lo faka wala go tata re kada bana ngoma go ngana ndango cause already say free kuri kahle hey lo gana project okay naku wisanyana like umtanyana mara ne
yes
guys mnetwini eShangani Gang ne ka Mzansi Arts and Media Awards as the best content creator like right now this is the best I can't wait to watch this one babo so loko mlava ku ri tlakula sagwadi bena rona ari fanera la kun'wana ko ta xavaxaviwa la amaxaviwa la u fane so I miss my la u fa vota la wani mani ma hosi ai nga ta mi xavela loko ko ta xava ta ya xava okay so you SMS mama that is MAMA 9352 40439 SMS mama space 9352 40439 mama SMS iPondo Pondo SMS ngaza program Pondo eto rand ne atirta mahala ti SMS so please unga SMS as many times as you can kai ndlela yale harana wa kambani man I want to ask you this question
Yes.
anzi no ingele ne.
Yes.
In so like so weird or the craziest thing ne. Shinga endleka lokho perform. Like the craziest. And when you look back, sometimes watch yo, yeah, ne.
But I'm mentioning something. I feel like some
At the ring.
I at the
No.
ring.
Yo bualan daw.
Yo bualan daw.
No, I didn't mean to say like I was just explaining. Mina like related.
Yeah.
The weirdest thing that have ever happened to me. Unperform ka gigi yana hlikani like akunna na sihlangi like that. Sihlangi and everything and stuff. Kurna muan anstiku okanga kahle nyana mhlekoteni kumbe yini. When I was approaching ka crowd, ala ku hlubula like a little bit. So the securities, yes, he was like stripping. So the securities bangbona ku that guy is about like to like strip because atleta ku mina ntaka yena kwini so bang stop like kumpala ku
loko ri lo ta u ta ka wena u ta rutela yini loko yes asina ku hlula loko
Ashkar ka vanhu mara.
that was the weirdest
excite lan
ever.
Ne?
ka demand like excite lan kwa shota vanhu vo khandiya so angeteketi
Kushota vanhu vanharhu.
no te chichi le mashele so bash come before she hlulela swa straight Chisunguli ala yet. Not the one who figure out.
Okay, iba angambalangi. No, almakari kuchine na cash community.
Yeah.
Angambalangi.
I think keep in line chila.
Yeah. Oh, she like kala ku like yeah so.
Akamanus what you've been through a lot ne. I love you cancelling yan.
Like I need therapy. Please pay for therapy.
But cancel us sim kateko
What cancel ita go stella life. I'm making DJ.
Wakambani, Messi EP last year it 1 December.
Yes.
Look, we check it compared to your previous songs
Yes.
and the EP.
Yes.
Ingebula ulilewa kuyumesa kusisi. Look, we compare na letinwayani
Performance
famba njani.
Okay, the performance EP it depends on who performing queen and everything. I think like the weekend neta ku perform because of people will be hearing the songs when I perform them. Mara like if I'm not having the performances in between, like I leku tlakukeni and the way you raise a quick corner as fun in the previous song that I'm having. Yes.
So okay. Kuna ma composele ma hambene ne?
Yes.
The artist ti hambene.
Yes.
Ku ri ti composer xinjani. Loko we u endla tingoma. Does your songs relate to your personal life or you wo fika u langusa vana 17 u vona ngoma nje ive iduma ngoma. Like drum tsanza kumbe ako na uncle ako na uncle kaya
Zitsanza
itsandzwa ku byala.
Most cases ani songs come like tita through mloro
Yeah.
where like you dream and then you write that
And once you watan lori ngoma tolo Nivhenifika ni recorda namuhla.
tita through miloro. Sometimes kuba kuri situation yo ibone shmanmani like abakha go through situation. It's like the situations tabangu.
Yeah.
Nbone kuna man watsamanjola story sha shman. Then you take that, put them into lyrics, change names and everything, scatter with names around or scatter with the locations just to munloyanga swon kuvele story sha wena to write songs. We take people's situations or dreams. Sometimes kuba kuri situation lay go go through yona is what like if I could like do this and this and this and this, why not take a book and like write, like cry out like into lyrics? you write, and then get the day I go studio, and then you just record it and be like, oh, siku ngatsala risimu lerwa, antwa like penya sona so, or antsakele shisha sona so, or anlakshaba mova and everything. So on my case, in Loro na the situation taban agnangoma lengo na relate ka yona le mina alle marandu ini ngata
mara kuna liya ya kaba
lengom la pepuri wa futa
na yin'wanyana kaba barin
anse bana ti problem anse kula 2010 yo ya
afana yini mina le simna miri personal rena
kaba kokwani
na shlako
bari kaba kokwani I'll relate.
Okay, yele yo relate the family members. Okay, you can make a relate because I'm part of the family. It is a situation yo the family. I mean specifically personally.
One thing I've realized with artists, I've vented you one love. You can't vent, you can't because loko fika ventela ngwa company u busy lo recording loko pfuka ya landa mpanyazi ay recording ngoma
u tlama loko yi ba wa later then 3 years later
man samnu ujela maka ya so
and it's aswa wa different man 3 years back so kai kwalene I want to ask this question Mtoi enda ko yibuya ashikazeni no
okay
wabona loko sita ka music wa gas there's a lot going on not the beef kuna vanhu lava va rilaka va rilela timhaka ta ku nyuka wa tekela uhlokweni mara va busy na music kuna van'wana bo they are just sitting there va nghena stage kwa bangoma yin'we and then everyone wants them.
Yeah.
Yes.
So like unjani music what are the challenges like kashikaza like music?
Okay.
And like someone loko vyala nenda kubusela because you're going to be very big. Because you know what I repeat na kure. Sinjani mara la South Africa
and batele
musician. This one I focus on guys.
Okay. I can say kuti like itahambana ne. Ti like itabantu eziribani ti like tayina tahambana. Ngana pfuka namuntlha ni studio ivi ni bangom kuba hiti yinipfulela ti opportunity to I can make more songs. Like ti kota ku ti support alias for me to be able to perform and generate money through music. That is the first like.
Okay.
Number 2, engama music in ukumaku ina 13 years. Kind of music, trying, promoting and everything. A poster and then kumaku no one likes your music and everything. Hey, like you promote and post your music on social media and everything. Kumaku only 2 people like your videos or no one even comments and everything. That thing is shona shi pusha kuku. Some people can end up give up in. Now I've tried for so many years and I'm even making better music than someone. Mara yena ileku trending and everything. Whilst I am better than him, you can see your worth as a person. Like you can reflect yourself and be like, I am better than this person. Mara and look fikelele nkati heights than, but I feel like as I belong there. I deserve better than the person. If you get to that extent, that means that's where you generate jealousy. And the jealousy, you're not generating and everything. Jealousy, she like loy and everything. From you generate jealousy because of you want to be there, Mara. And everything. But if you could. And then later kuma ku sengena ka bloy kumbe ngena ka swilo leswi nga lavekeki to just push yourself faster ku ikota ku reach like the heights ta wena like fast. And those things if you could have maybe waited for 2 days, let me say 2 days, not 2 years. If you could have waited for 2 days, maybe after 2 days, akutaba kuna influencer ya wanele America ihlangana na ngoma ya wena African video and boom bantu basungula ku recognize. If you could have waited, so I can say kuti like itabano atifani na ku inge umelele nkarhi wo fana switeka nkarhi van'wana swi va tekeli nkarhi. It's just depend ku nkarhi wa wena wo umelela you will. Yes.
Yeah, the destiny tava not fine.
Kasi ngwe provider DJ.
Yini manje?
Why loko mbutsa vanhu swo karhi mina.
No,
mi refer ka mina.
ingikaya ya kule kuna example la kusina.
Example me yo ka ka answer aning my time jolo mara ngwe.
Mara mjolo ya kona namhla ite kha yingisele yona.
What are you look trending mjolo sis? That's one example.
Oh yeah, I understand.
Mina example la yo.
Lo na tlanga mjolo siku leriya. Wo vo sungula ku duma.
Ekalendo mi. Ekalendo.
Okay, Makambani. You've collaborated na most of the well-known artists.
Yes.
Kagaza, ne?
Yes.
Beside those guys, is there any collaboration lay osnavela kuri if I can do a song with this guy or if I can do a song with this lady, yeah, I will be satisfied. Come music wa mina. And who's that person?
General Musk.
General Musk.
Yes.
General Muska.
Yes.
Look, Mpumalanga ngizela.
It can be, yes.
Because and then not Mpumalanga ina hongo na General Muska.
Kosa na producer ngikombe mi yingisela ne. Elaba General Muska la.
Hayi seswana la ku mingifana ta la.
Hayi namuntu. Kuna
kumloko la le.
Kuna xikombelo. Ne. Kuna xikombelo. Yimanya. Kuna xikombelo. Ngakambani ulava collaboration. Dr. General Musk. Doctor ne? Yes.
Imbali gawe na majuli.
Naman?
Na majuli.
Imbali gawe na majuli.
Abangara ndawo yung. Ay. Abangara ndawo yung.
Oh.
Ako season yingo.
Ay, mla.
Ako season ay one man.
Maju. Okay, I have to show Maju. Okay, uri General Musk ne?
Yes.
Okay.
And loko manager me busy mloko la bala ben General Musk. Loko ba ngisela episode le one ava formela if mbafonele ngumshaya ba texting. I believe la ngunyuta yena.
You know
what kuri gaza. Kota kuri gaza mjoko kota kuri maraben.
Maraben da hashgaza. Stamixana tawon.
No, he's very good na lega Gaza.
Ne?
He's very good na lega Gaza. Remember he had the song na Prince Rangani.
Men landa ringo tsena ka General Musk. Teacher mover driver.
What company is different. Interviewed artist ohlanyana la ne. And the way ba butsa question le. Ba mention one of the Shigaza artists.
And then lava ngele ka ndawo yingo.
Laba ngele ka ndawo yingo.
Kun la mention was wow. When I feature I mean
why twisenya.
Yeah.
But we choose
Tokodela.
Yeah. No, it's gonna be a hit.
Okay, Mwakambani.
Yes.
Tagembana telo gembani. Telo gembani so nakubutsa ko what's coming. So one kuna tagembani kombe mengse tagembana ro me nkwako. Nkwako la mirla wako kwak. Yeah, ba ya ro ban la team le one.
Wataba tholi munhu
So what's coming? Kuna EP taku single one taku or album and iman lang atar kon General Muska because under is still a wish.
Yes.
I don't know what our fight is.
Yes.
Marami kuna mga taka is confirmed ko takum. Nasumbil na kuinya umbeshan maybe ataflama jega so lie ataka wena and everything. What's coming?
For now, I can say that I'm working on an album than an EP because I need last time to release an EP. So now I'm working on an album and say enter like the features, like feature man. It's a situation like you work and then as time goes on, you would listen to the song and it's sweet. Oh look, na voice yes man. I feed and everything and say and plan now like feature man. No, I didn't like plan that, but I'm working on an album and also on some few singles and also like wanna move from like a 3-step. Yeah, I have a song 3-step. Go back 3-step, come back Ashkaza. I'm not going. No.
Okay,
yes, so yeah.
Okay. No man, DJ before famane la bosa ko lo kubantu bakulaba bakuma ku man wakhambani ka Facebook man wakhamba nga TikTok Mangwa kama nga Telegram, mangwa kama nga X. So mangwa kama nga Instagram, mangwa Telegram.
Na yona mara ni tirhisi.
Mina leti
Tirhisela swa mina, hi swona.
ti social media nga ti tivi.
So fare nga tiwani.
Kamixit.
Mulawar. DJ please. Because
Okay, 1 million.
what are you reading? Nusa wa kambani ko ukumeka kwi ka social media ne. Tana dimension na yiri na tin'wana u nga vula vo Tinder na vo
Ka Tinder ka swishui. Ankona ka Tinder ka swishui.
yiri ko Tinder na vo Badu wena mali kana kai zama on a serious note ne
Phela ulok advertising ka
advertising ka Badu ngena ka Tinder ako swipe left na imbelela ka Tinder na wena DJ ina leswi tiraka swona so no one serious note ka ko teka nyana on serious note na loko vanhu va kuma ka social
Ka TikTok ngona iN'wakhambani ibnele ka Facebook eMathebula N'wakhambani Beatrice. I think those are the two handles which is like
active.
and then like Instagram iN'wakhambani.
Okay.
okay so loko vanhu va lava ku buka swi kona kwalaha ka socials or
Yes, ka ti social media handles ta mina kuna poster ka Facebook I like first poster I pinned like the booking poster and also kuna ti number ni le ka TikTok kuna ti number ni le ka Instagram kuna ti number.
Wasaka va kwata vanhu loko va or na the booking details ka socials because most of the artists ne lava nga cool like N'wakhambani it's rare ku number liya yena
Yes, it cannot.
va kuna n'wana na nga ta kwata loko se
Afrika ako hello.
Allah N'wakhambani
Wasimbuka sithambi to text that course.
because yeah no hayi time that time le cause
Sithambi to text that course.
sorry Kobel
Shugo hello N'wakhambani.
ku mi nga kuma na mic le wa yilana mic le mi fanele ngopfu vana ka ku N'wakhambani yini
Okay,
ta palo ko mbuya
If I continue on it,
ta palo ko
phela bang texting ngomisa lo.
Is it a complain indleni ti number ta mina.
Bang texting ngomisa lo.
Text that the call barvala N'wakhambani. Number Steve.
Okay, kumbe nibutsana question le angayibutsanga ne.
Yes.
Matsalelo mawe matingoma.
Yes.
Okay, we can call it writing,
kota olora
but these days aka tsale udingoma. Okay, there's people who are writing. There's people who just listen to the beat.
And then they just
Avela ngena imbele.
yes.
How do you work? Like
I write. Even like if I can open my phone, got the notes. I write.
watsala ne?
Yes, I write because of so if you can get they are like okay, watsala natsala or I do like ingisela beat and then you listen to the flow and then start generating the lyrics and then you just record after it go garmani flow and everything. Yes, I do that voice recordings or I write down. That's it.
I think shotsala ne?
Yes.
I'm not sure Jojo kur otsala or now when you are part of those guys baku ufika utingiselela beat ungati boy serious
no what's one
baku ufika uyingisela beat uyimbelela but in my experience me I tried kuyimbelela ne
Alright.
I tried and me selo lungizwe kunayimbelela
ntazama ko mina na honest with you nomko I tried
I tried
and I was you tried next past tense you
You gave up.
you came to terms with the fact that
Yeah.
you can't
I tried kuyimbelela
and you can't
I can't I don't want to lie I tried kurapa
man that means na rap song
ndokusendela
now yeah because this episode ngoma yela rap song ya The Rock what I'm saying there
so in my experience ne
Yes.
antsala mina so ukuma ku loko ni ri ku recordeni ukuma ku swilo leswi ni nga swi tsala
swi lehi ku tlula
swi lehi ku tlula beat
Oh, beat, yes.
ya
one
That's
twisisa
happened.
or beat yi famba mahlweni
so
so swi sala
marito ma hatla ma hela before
so look how do you match those things like u tikuma se u swi paketelini swi va right
Ka that when yo itsala swileha ku in the beat ane i situation yo faneke itzama khata marito mara faneke make sure ku whatever you cut swi sala swi make sense
yeah
swi nga lose sense. You don't lose the bariyeni kuna the verbs doing
Yes,
this ka
yes.
sentence ane you don't lose those verbs and then loko kuma ku yini swi fambe swi siya beat and everything. That's the reason kurna that's the yo endla voice note.
Yes.
Loko iba ikha I generator a message ikha insele beat ikha ikota ku endla voice note. Swi ta pfuna ku yini inga chachi inga yimbelele swilo leswi nga ta siya beat.
Swi nga ta
Ba
siya
ikha
beat.
insele beat ikha yimbelele oyo like ba ku ri situation ya tani. So that's the reason why I'm using both techniques ku swi kota ku yini swi hlangana xikarhi.
yo Carlo ayi yimela
awu yimisa loya nani
because mataku matwala ne
Yeah, natwala.
because I'm kamerela ngova group in ne Carlo ngopfu I don't know kuna munhu kumbe kuna vanhu ne a fanele ku number ya Shangani Gang ne aku lava
Khambani. Hey. Ene wata group yako yiye. Eliya ya sweswi leyi ngele ka ma grade 9
ya
10
Yeah.
wata sifona sukuyini siri ingungwa Khambani xa swi twa ku voice ya n'wanuna ingungwa Khambani ivi nkarhi wun'wana ne xiku minjhani ni ku ni ko minjhani mpfuna yini xiku i n'wa Khambani na profile picture ya Shangani Gang yi laha ku fakeliwe na ti-mic laha xin'wana xiku hi we n'wa Khambani a mi n'wa Khambani eka yimani ku pfulela
mara mine khosa ne na question ya one like vanhu lava ti kumbi njhani
Vutisani manager.
convince ku ri
I n'wi
i number ya n'wa Khambani
Hey, like they are so convinced ku nambara liya ne i nambara ya n'wa Khambani na ku kume xin'we swin'wana byi blokini xi ni fonela navusiku hi vo ma 12 navusiku o swi vo ku foni leyi yo yiviwa leyi a ya xona hi 12 navusiku yima ni komba manejara yi ta confirma ne xo sungula hi lexi manejara yimani ma vo tinambara leti ti nga singeviwangiki i tinambara leti lavaka n'wa Khambani leti tani
At least va kombela no rivaleriwa loko va hela. I like your content on Facebook.
oh le avo va rhandza content na ku mi laveka swihlangi leswiya hi le mavuyo fana le hi le
Yeah, ngwa company or can I have ngwa company?
ina ngwaendli vo kwa jalo kamera pesa yimini
Va kombela nambara ya wena.
ro kombe nambara
Va kombela nambara.
ivi ni ku sorry a ni na yona ene ni na yona sorry ni hava van'wani ne tin'wani la ku mi forwardela ali a yi ya dokodela Joe leyi hey swi tele ni ri twi because i vana vatsongo mavele to fana to blokiwa vona ni ti-musical tingani leti 1 2 3 4 and I miss call video call
loko mi hlamula video call siri ku njhani n'wa Khambani
xin'wana ni tshame ni hlamula video call ni byele ku i video call ya normal ni vo silingi
hayi petso yi va
ivi
tifoni
xi ku yini
xo hallo i n'wa Khambani nyikani n'wa Khambani
mina nco ku na n'wana wun'we ne a kuma nambara leyi a ni swi tivi ku u byele mhaka ya n'wa Khambani
Ya n'wa Khambani.
ivi distributiwa amongst swo hlangi lebyiwani hinkwaswo leswiwani mara and like a ni swi tivi ku hi nga n'wi kuma njhani kumbe hi nga byi kuma njhani hlangi lebyiwani
hey kun'wana tlhela byi ndla na ti-group call
group call
and hayi group video call
loko hi ri live
xi senda na voice note laha na ha zangi ni yingisela leti
because mina what I'm thinking ne
yi mani rhanga ni yi twa off air ku a xirhini ta kota ku mi tlanga hi yo voice note because va tlhela ta nga no hemba
loko ma yingisela kasi va ta mi line manager na loko one day ne o yingiselani na loko one day ne ho kuma lun'we ra kona Swi ku tshama kwihi if u le kaya if byi le kaya
Yeah.
that time maybe u ya ya ku vona
Yeah.
and wo rhandza vana bya ku rhandza man too much loko ni langutana
I
ti-status ta wena
think the simplest way for Sweswane, it's I think the school, you see the school tours,
Yeah.
like the school tours, that's the simplest way to meet them because of baba xikolweni baba batele ku na tichulu ta yena, you go there and meet them there like xikolweni. That is the simplest way because loko la ku ya ka va swimani man ti ta nghena ti message to tala yini n'wana mina wa ku rhandza hi le ka vadyosi
Yeah, I think
n'wana mina wa ku
that's
rhandza hi le kwihi. You see,
I think that's one thing you should do.
that's the way.
Sungula hi le kaya.
Yeah.
Kambe u te hi le kwini?
I think you've been doing it
Ka Gaul.
Ka Gaul.
Yes.
No man.
wa ya xikolweni munhu
Sa improve uma ka Gaul or ka Gwen.
Ka Gaul.
ka gwela a ku na xikotiri laha un'wana kona
Defeated Kesad.
We uma ka Gaul ne. Ka Gaulo. Kambe ya man ngoma liya.
ya man
Ya J John ne.
ya John Queen
Oh yeah. No, I think that's one thing you should do. Ko ku sweswi xikolo xi pfarini ne.
Yeah, Sweswane.
Yeah, loko xikolo xi pfula, you just go there. U ya va xeweta. I'm sure they would be happy because ya ku rhandza genge leyi.
se ku nga bohi xikolo ne tshame ni vona swi swin'wana ni swi tivi ku i yini and loko ku u comfortable u nga hlamusela
Yes.
sani ku va u khome tichoko khorasarase vana va xikolo va ku yingiseleni va pay attention for ku
Yeah.
a swi serious lawa the next thing ni vo ti-challenge ne va va mbala uniform wena u nga mbalangi I'm like i mani a nga ta pfumelela ntlambi yi nghena xikolweni leyi fika yi cinisa vana yi huma yi famba
Yeah.
so ku na partnership of some sort ku endleka yini hi xikolo na tichoko na tidastara
Besides kuba ntlambi, there is life. Like there is life. I am also like a tutor. Like not a teacher. I'm also a tutor for bana ba xikolo. Ntutara Almond Technical High School hile Soweto, a Protea South where like tutor my grade 10 to 12. My grade 10, 11, and 12, the subjects, and we like also work with other people, collaborator. If I'm not doing the subject, you're also doing the subject, everything. So so it's work. So yes.
It's subjective.
va ta kana vula swin'wana mara na chava ku swi vutisa ku a lava ku swi suggesta mara na chava no swi vutisa na chava ku
You can talk.
was kota ku let's say ni na n'wana
Yes.
ni ku ta n'wi pfuna like a ni ngo
One-on-one
vula-
sessions.
yeah
Oh yes. we
Va ta ku ni
also
chava
do
yini? Wa ni
that.
chava?
Mina ni ti endli na chava mina.
a ni chava ku va ta ku i n'wakambani we hi pfuna
For
u ta endla domo wa sweswi u ta fika ta endle domo hi la ku n'wi vona
No, mara it's
I didn't do
a good
one-on-one
thing.
sessions,
It's a good
but
thing.
The others they do like. And
It's a good
now-
thing. It is subject danjani timtindla or you just do every subject.
I can say it's every subject excluding technical maths, na mathematics, na physics because of there is also someone longana program at school and the khala khatira kona I offer those subjects so I ngata untekela ntiro.
Ka maths na physics mi nga vitana mina na George.
ya hi ta va raha wa langta so ti jawaba wa mi nyikwa loko layo jojo ya kwihi ka maths na physics
Eh maka mjolo. Eh maka mjolo.
mara ngoma leya no I mean a guest mara ngoma leya ya ba
Imbele line yako.
u ta tlhavela
Eh.
DJ or ni n'wi bela u ta tlhavela na
Ai. Tun.
u va ka swa mjolo swa tika mara jola ni vana va mani ka a yi phinda n'wa va nyiketi a yi phinda yi tata
I think
swi nge yini
to the end. We did a session last time. Ufano we practice na team leader.
mjolo
Yeah.
hayi ni simple ngoma mjolo phela mjolo yi chawe live kan wo wayo then ni posta ka Facebook
Yeah, for we practice na team leader.
ni ku na munhu a nga ofera ku hakela studio for that's how big I am.
Ne?
I'll go to the studio, I'm gonna pay for it. Go to this song. You know? And then on top of that, every single one shop
Ele ga record the toilet.
ayon. So you know as an artist you relate ne. E manage. Ngumako letero ne kumshana le kunwana kunwana. Even twa xingoma ne. Ntwa line so nso ku lo line le wa loko no ka ni nga record la. Ndarivala.
Yeah.
That way it's my toilet what ka phone. No nyaka phone le one. Na so tala ngo hle.
No, was Stevane so vulaka ne. I joke. I had a conversation na
Inside toilet.
nina group in one yati producer and the DJ like in that group. So this other guy asked this day, I think it was last week, abutisa aku, guys, na wena mavaka situation leya yaku uhleketa ngoma swish mara ustiva ku loko woka ungai endli or ungai record utayirivala. What do you do? Then mina ningena nihlamula no mina phone ya mina whenever I think of a song ambe ku ri beat ambe ko va yi ni record no one this is ku loko ni ya studio ni fika ni swi tiva ku ri ni fika ni endla yini. Yeah, I think every artist does that.
Yeah, but so cause I hlamatsa hi ku the thing was mentioned ne ntirhi na mina swa nekela ku ri ni ya toilet ne recorder se di botsa ku toilet this is but yeah namatla I telang mina Wakhambane, thank you very much for coming through.
Thank you.
It's been long coming, man. But this is the right time. I was talking feeling
I know. Sorry.
Guess what? Hey, I'm gonna record.
Ako endla kay.
Ay, kuya ka yenu.
Ako endla kay.
I'm gonna record now. Lair kona di pubs. Just I'm thinking mataplam. You bullying was clear. I'm gonna record. You don't know bullying. Okay, thank you so much. Ngomela kumya streamer Tagembana and the past songs.
Yeah.
Please, lo kumya TikTok the videos. Takan sound le amana the video and post mung tagger, item tagger, and we thank you for the love. Let me come back. Mung come back on. So anak bla go for me na you cancel ngwena. Nak me stop from me na because mdage me na need to cancel out. Anything to your
Message to your fans?
Oh, I would like to say ko na Kenza support le min kombata ko yona ya mahlweni stream ay supportana and lishkulu iku Kenza, I can say lishkulu iku Kenza and shikumu shimhlayisa shimgetela malembo ya khanya kumta kota kun support malembe lama tamam khamanya. So just want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much. And to also fellow artists labanga kona ka music, if like family kahle kumbe you're not getting the flowers that you feel like you deserve, just keep on pushing. Sugrawe na nawe narlikteni. Just have faith and all shall be well one day. Just keep on pushing.
Yeah, they must keep on pushing because the way the flowers. Hey, kuna artist ingemoteka silova sa amini.
Itapala.
Zoro.
Kumbe iteka isa ka general yale. No, mina I can say Shikwemba shukhlayisi ne.
Yes.
Every artist ka Gaza is different. One uendla swa yena, uendla swa different. Everyone is unique. Now we unique.
Yes.
So anta ku Shikwemba ashukhlayisi, when you come back ofana over or Wakhambane times 2.
Yes.
1 to 6.
Yes.
Whatever happened last year must multiply. This year like wanna something big. Yeah. So that's what we're expecting from you. I'm not saying ikufakela pressure, but
no pressure.
I'm saying Shikwemba ashikunyiki leswi nga kukhomela swona uvuya uri big. We still want to sit down with you here. Vulavula ku ri okay, progress ya we famba kwini ifika kwini and all that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
We believe in all the other things that we believe in you.
Yeah.
So, yeah, ina asibona ina vanhu vakulukumba but maka ivona ku ya kwi. So we really believe in you. And maybe xikombo xi nga pfuna siku rin'wana ringeta ku navela tlhelela music in. Kuna ngoma ni nga yi tsala ne a yi nge heli mhaku yi lan'wa se ta respond. Yeah, ni nga yi tsala mata yi vulavula yini hi ku ni famba na baby mi nga ni khoma namuntlha hi laha swo ni ta 17 na munhu wa mina ne mara ngwadla leyi hi nga tshama hanya swin'we se yi la ku na hela ma vo ivi baby a swi vona ku wa nga ku na a yi talknyana i va vutisa ku kasi ku endleka yini. So a ni se va na mvutisi na ha hlamuseli ku ma vo so maybe loko xikwembu xa ni pfuna xi ni katekisa hi ya nga ta khani
hi ta vulavula na manager loko hi chaya
Dloro.
No, thank you so much ne Wakhambane kesi kuvakeriwa. La le unangeni ne hohlela music
ayizondi and abanyisi hohlela mranza kweni
danko
Dloro.